We got that old thing back. East Coast swag on the West Coast track, rolling like Kelly, talking on the celly, cruising Highway 1 with a bunch of Katy Perry's in the hills. Or I'm down in Miami, Fountain Blue. Can I live with my family? NY homie and Tone and that caddy drop hits for the world. This for him, Brad.
Yeah, we be cool in the hills. On the phone, my teller, I'll be home with a deal. This ain't diesel, LA lethal, born legend, born once, there will be no equal. I do it for the girls all across the world. You feeling kinda sexy, you go girl, I'm free as God is my witness. Rip, rock, life, everything on my wish list.
Hey girl, you bounce like that. I ain't never seen an ass like that. I ain't never seen an ass like that. Nobody work hard like that. Hey girl, you bounce like that. I ain't never seen an ass like that. I ain't never seen an ass like that. Nobody work hard like that.
Me and Anthony go. Everybody's like, don't hold drugs, man. I'm flying.
Bro, I'm at the house.
We flying down the hill like this.
I don't play. I'ma go and get it and wait it in one day. You say I'm liquid, baby. Stacks on stacks in the black Mercedes. Afro Daisy like the day before. Make the pump slam dunk cause I asked him once. Photographs that left, these past the first. With an ass like that, need a Mac to flirt.
I tell her, hey, don't you worry about me. I'm sitting chillin', sippin' on a drink in South Beach with the Rock, Big Nicky. I live for my homies. There ain't nothing I won't give for my homies. Live for the moment, real when I'm on it. Keep it real with my woman. I don't deal with emotion while I fake demonstrate. Campaign hating while the champagne spraying in the club celebrating. Hey girl, you bounce like that. I ain't never seen an